Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find boom powder in Hytale. Boom powder can be obtained from boom shrooms deep inside caves. As long as you wander around the caves, there's bound to be a cluster of boom shrooms that you can find. To my knowledge, I haven't discovered the signs to know exactly what parts of the cave will have boom shrooms, so you're going to have to find them by chance. Thankfully, they glow in the dark. If you end up seeing light in the distance, there's a good chance that there are mushrooms in that area. There's also another way to get a boom powder, and you can get it from these goblins that throw bombs as their means of attack. Do try to be careful when it comes to these guys, as they will try to kite you. They will keep their distance as much as possible, so your best course of action is to close the distance as best as you can. Once you defeat them, they will drop boom powder along with linen scraps. If you're having trouble finding them, try to keep a lookout for these settlements right here on the screen. If you see this in the cave, then you're bound to find some goblins running about. And that's how to find boom powder in Hytale.